Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the tail lights from Renault Koleos H45. We're going to be removing both the outer on-body tail light and the tail light extension on the tailgate. Without further ado, let's get into our main video. Starting off with our outer tail light, when you open the upper tailgate, there'll be a little cover. Once you remove the cover, underneath that one there'll be a 10mm bolt that holds it in place. We'll remove that bolt. Next, we will remove the clip, which is located on the inner part of the tail light when you open the tailgate. Once you remove this clip, we'll need to disconnect the cable and the plug for the tail light. So on the inside of the tailgate, open this cover and give yourself enough room to have access to the plug of the tail light, which is over here. Press on to the plug to detach it, and then next we'll be using plastic tools to get in between the tail light and the body of the vehicle. We don't use flathead metal screwdrivers because that will damage the paint. We'll use plastic tools wherever possible to wriggle the tail light out, as what's holding it in place at this point is the locators on the inside of the tail light. You want to be gentle doing this. You don't want to damage the tail light or the vehicle itself. And this is, I'm not editing or cutting this process so you can see, it's just a bit of patience. And then this is pretty much how you remove the tail light from my Renault Koleos H45. And on the inside you can see there's 3 locators there, and that's the cable, the plug. Next we're going to remove the tail light extension on the tailgate. On the outer part of the tail light there will be 2 8mm nuts there, which we will remove. And then once these 2 are off, there are locators. There's a locator on this tail light as well. Using plastic tools, gently wriggle the tail light out from the vehicle. It requires a little bit of patience and some skill, but it's very easy to do. Next we're going to remove the plugs for the tail light. Press on. All of these are pretty much press on and pull. You might need to use a little bit of force, but it's pretty easy to do. That's the locator. This one's a plastic one, so it can break much more easier than the other one. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe. And we will see you in our upcoming videos.